Hello dosto, welcome to my channel. This is Shruti Saburi. Today we are analyzing on N95 mask. I'll leave you a link in the description below of my previous video on N95 mask with basics. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Also, kindly go through that video for understanding this better. So my friends, are you using a mask with a valve? How far is it safe? Is that recommended to use? What are the new rules and obligations on it? Let's discuss those in this video. Across the country, we are hearing discussions all of a sudden on masks. Basically, it was said by Health Ministry that using mask with valves cannot stop spreading coronavirus. But why is it like that? In this video, we will understand clearly about this. But before that, let's look at the letter from Health Ministry. It is clearly said that it has been observed that there is an inappropriate use of a N95 mask, particularly with valve respirator, by the public other than designated health workers. In this regard, I would like to draw your attention to the advisory of the use of homemade protective cover for face and mouth available on the website of MOHFW and so on in this letter. So before understanding this is Shruti Saburi. For more updates, please do follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter as Shruti Saburi. So let's get started. Face masks have become an integral part of our daily lives following the outbreak of coronavirus pandemic. Touted as the first measure to protect against coronavirus, masks have become mandatory for all leaving their homes like mobile and wallet. Health Ministry on Monday warned against inappropriate use of N95 masks, especially that those contain respiratory valves. We have just seen the letter, but why is it so? Let us understand from the basics. So if you look into this picture carefully, you can see a person wearing a N95 mask with a respiratory valve. There are two cases you need to understand. Number one, if the person wearing this type of mask came in contact with a positive patient, coronavirus positive patient, while he breathed, the valve actually can filter the pathogens. So not a problem here. But in the other case, which is the second case, if the person wearing this mask himself have corona, while he exhales his breath, there are high chances of this filter doing nothing but spreading the virus into the air or to the person he go in contact with. But why is it so? What's so much magic in the valve? People are blindly choosing this N95 mask with valve since it has something special visible to all. But do you know, any N95 mask with a valve is essentially made with a raised plastic disc which is embedded in the fiber. Actually, this has to be made of silicon, but to cut the cost, cheap rubbers are used in the fiber. The main function of this valve is not to stop coronavirus. We are really mismanipulated thinking that this valve mask may help us more. But let me explain you more deeply. The function of this valve is to filter the air inhaled by the wearer for comfortably breathing in pollution and also prevent him from breathing the pathogens in air, which means they spell nothing but trouble during this pandemic. Some of the masks are designed for hot and dusty construction work where the intent is to filter out dust before it hits the wearer's lung, like to keep the mask wearer cooler. To be more precise, look at this mask with a valve. There is a valve here. When you breathe in and breathe out through this mask, the air cannot be trapped here this way, but can flow through this valve. This is how the valve technology is to be more comfortable. It helps people who wear spectacles too. Like in this case, they understand the problem of wearing a mask, specs, and then breathe. So that's the reason the experts have been warning against the inappropriate use of valve masks, or they can lead to the release of unfiltered, exhaled air, which makes it difficult to contain the spread of virus. Then, what should you wear? Simple. As I said earlier, let's leave a N95 mask to frontliners. Let's use the mask that does not contain valves, and surgical masks are kind of better to us, but dispose them properly. That's it, my friends, about the facts and technology behind the mask. I hope you all understood, and I feel I have simplified this for you. So please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. And also, click the bell icon. Bye bye. See you all in my next videos.